Have you ever found yourself juggling multiple tasks across different devices, wishing there was a single platform to streamline your workflow? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into the world of ClickUp and exploring the incredible platforms it supports, making your productivity journey a breeze. Imagine having a digital workspace that seamlessly integrates with your preferred devices, allowing you to access your tasks and projects from anywhere. That's where ClickUp comes in. This powerful project management tool has gained immense popularity for its versatility and user-friendly interface. But the real magic lies in its compatibility across various platforms. Platform breakdown. Desktop. Let's start with the basics. ClickUp offers a robust desktop app available for both Windows and Mac OS. This is the ideal platform for those who spend most of their workday in front of a computer. With the desktop app, you can enjoy a fully immersive experience, complete with advanced features like custom views, automation, and real-time collaboration. Web app. Whether you're working from home, the office, or on the go, the ClickUp web app has you covered. Accessible through any web browser, this platform provides a seamless experience on both desktop and laptop computers. The web app is perfect for those who prefer the flexibility of accessing their work from any device with an internet connection. Mobile apps. ClickUp understands the importance of staying connected and productive on the move. That's why they've developed dedicated mobile apps for both iOS and Android devices. These apps offer a streamlined interface, allowing you to quickly add tasks, view your progress, and receive notifications. Whether you're commuting, attending meetings, or simply taking a break, the ClickUp mobile apps keep your work within reach. Browser extensions. For those who spend a significant amount of time in their web browsers, ClickUp offers convenient browser extensions for Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. These extensions allow you to quickly access your tasks and projects directly from your browser, without having to switch between multiple applications. Email integration. ClickUp goes beyond traditional platforms by integrating with your email. You can connect your email account to ClickUp, turning emails into tasks or projects with just a few clicks. This feature is particularly useful for managing tasks related to specific emails or clients. Additional features and benefits. Cross-platform synchronization. No matter which platform you're using, ClickUp ensures that your data is always synchronized across all devices. This means you can start working on a task on your desktop, continue on your phone, and pick up where you left off on your tablet. Real-time collaboration. ClickUp fosters collaboration by allowing multiple users to work on the same projects simultaneously. This feature is essential for teams that need to coordinate efforts and stay on the same page. Customizable workspaces. ClickUp empowers you to create custom workspaces tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're managing personal projects, team tasks, or company-wide initiatives, you can organize your workspace to reflect your workflow. In conclusion, ClickUp's impressive platform compatibility makes it a versatile tool for individuals and teams alike. Whether you're a tech-savvy professional or someone who prefers a simpler approach, ClickUp has a platform that suits your needs. With its wide range of features and seamless integration across devices, ClickUp empowers you to stay organized, productive, and efficient. Are you ready to take your productivity to the next level? Try ClickUp for free today and experience the power of a truly versatile project management tool. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.